number 1. So number 1 is 2,884 divided by 14. So to do that, we have to put 2,884 divided by 14. Now we have to think, how many times does 14 go into 28? Because 14 can't go into 2 because it's too small of a number. So if we multiply it, 14 goes into 28 exactly 2 times. So this would be 28. Then we have the number 8. Now we know that 14 can't go into 8 anytime because 14 is bigger than the number 8. So we add a 0 because 14 times 0 is 0. Then we can bring down the 4 and we have to think to ourselves, how many times does 14 go into 84? So 14 goes into 84 exactly 6 times, and we know that if we multiply it out. So 2,884 divided by 14 is 206. Let's look at number 2. So let's erase this really quick. So then now we have 3,696, and if we divide that by 12, well, we know that 12 times 3 is 36, so we can add that 3 there. We can bring down the 9, but we know 12 can't go into 9 because 12 is bigger than 9, so we can multiply by 0, so we get 9 again, and we can bring down the 6, and we know that 12 times 8 is 96, so we can multiply by 8, and we're left with 0. So 3,696 divided by 12 is 308. Moving on to the next page, this is addition, so let's look at number 1. We have 160 plus 25 plus 46. So 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 6 is 11. So we can add the 1 here and add the other 1 here. 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, and 9 plus 4 is 13. So we can add the 1 and the 13 over here, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So this will be 231. Let's look at 6 really quick. 650 plus 24 plus 38. So 4 plus 8, 0 plus 4 is 4, 4 plus 8 is 12. We can add that 1 here. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11. We can add that 1 here. 1 plus 6 is 7. So 650 plus 24 plus 38 is 712. Let's look at number 1 here. This is 1,746 minus 628. So this, we have to change this to 16 because the 6 is smaller than 8. So 16 minus 8 is 8. 8. We have to change this to a 3 because we made this into a 16. So that's 1. And 17 minus 6 is 11. So 1,746 is equal to 1,118 minus 620. That's 1,000. Okay, let's quickly look at number 7. 1,000 699 minus 899. So 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 9 is 0 again, and 16 minus 8 is 8. So we know that 1,699 minus 899 is 800. Moving on to the last page, it says Kate arranged 8 chairs in a row. So this is the row. And there are 45 chairs in each column. So this is the column. So these are the 45 chairs in each column. Column. And there were 8 chairs in each row. Like this. So that's for one hall. So we want to find how many chairs they have in total in one hall. So to do that, we have to do 45 times 8. So 5 times 8 is 40. 32 plus 4 is 36. So now we know that one hall has 360 chairs. But now we want to find how many chairs there are for 2 halls. So now that we found that one hall has 360 chairs, we just need to multiply it by 2, so we will know how many chairs we need for 2 halls. So 360 times 2. So 0 times 2 is 0. 6 times 2 is 12. We can add that carrying here. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So for 2 halls, there are 720 chairs in total, because we found the total for 2 of the halls. Total